friends, this is your Touchpoint official and welcome to the new video. Now we are going to see how to create WordPress website for free, absolutely free. You can get a free domain, free hosting and everything, even templates also are free. You can get unlimited bandwidth limited, unlimited visitors can visit your website. Now in this video we are going to see web host powered by Hostinger. This is the website now we are going to see. This is they are offering us to create a free website of WordPress. Now I'm going to show you how to create it and how to get hosted in 5 minutes. Your website will be hosted in Google in 5 minutes. Let's get into this video. Please make sure you have subscribed to our channel and follow us on Instagram Touchpoint Official. Now let's start. Let's get started. You can see here I have opened my that Hostinger website. You can see here free web hosting, one website, 300 MB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, 3 GB, and you cannot get email ID. Sorry, if you want to get email ID, you have to purchase. Now we don't need any email ID. Just let's get started. If you are new member means you have to create a new account. Just I already have an account in this. I'm going to sign in. Just if you see here, I'm having a sign in over here. If you don't have, please sign up over here. You can see below there, you can get a sign up. Just I'm going to add my email address and password. Just logging in. It's giving time. It's loading. Now you can see I'm in my dashboard over here, web hostinger. I'm in dashboard. You can see after after sign up, you can see like this. You can see a right side, you can see a create new site. Click on it, and you have to, you can see they are given the custom URL over here is webhostapp.com, and you have to pick a website name. Just I'm picking like. Like a touchpoint official website .000 webhostingapp.com, and please select your password. They have given a random password. Please delete it and keep your custom password, because if you forget it you cannot reset it. For that only you keep your custom password. Now I'm going to create a custom password like 123456789 just I'm creating like simple password to show you. Just you can create yourself as a different your name, website names, email ID, anything. Just I'm adding my password and my website name. Click on create. It's creating. Website has been created. You can see on the right side I got a notification. Website has been created. Now I'm in my dashboard. It's asking to install. What you're going to install? WordPress or File Manager. I need a website. Just I'm installing WordPress. And you can see here you are in a admin panel. Choose your username and password. And you cannot change your URL. This is your website URL. You cannot change it. Just change it that username and password. You can see the password has been random. Just change it. And you can change your username and as anything. You can keep it as admin. It's not taking. Just I'm going to create a symbols. And I try to create a password over here like letters and number. It's not taking, it's telling to add symbols and latincy. I added symbols, letters, numbers and latin. So just mix up your password, and you can go to that website and create me a random password. You can copy and paste it over here. Now after creating, click on install. It's installing. Please don't minimize this. Keep it as it is. Please do not minimize or change to next any other sites. If you're changing it, it will get delay over here. It will start from 1%. For that only, it's creating. Yes, it's creating. And your internet speed, you have to use a mobile internet or Wi-Fi. Keep your internet in good condition. It must be little bit speedy. If you get any lags, and your website will be like denied, or editing will be like corrupted. Your website will be corrupted. Please make sure that the internet has to be in good condition. I'm using my Wi-Fi. For that only, it's not getting lagging. It's very in good condition, and it is speed. I'm using 100 Mbps speed. Now my software has been configurations. Now I'm going to click on go to configuration page. Click on. You can see on my website. You can see that VP login. Just add your. You can, if you may see over there. First, I have told you that admin panel. In that you can see username, admin and password. Just you have to add that same exact over here. Do not add anything. Just add that admin or in your password. I have kept admin over here. Admin and password. What password you added? Just keep it that. It's logging in. It's loading. Loading. Progressing request. It's showing over here. It may get some time. It may take 3 minutes to create your WordPress dashboard over here. Just it's loading over here. I can see. Mm, Just I want to check it up my website how it's displaying. Just I'm copying that name and pasting it. I want to see that website. How is it that much better? You can see after clicking it, because you have logged in. For that only you can see like this option. So if you logged out, you cannot see like this. I'm going to my dashboard over here. Now you can see this is your WordPress dashboard. You are already in WordPress. Now go to appearance. You have to set a custom theme. It's looking like a basic theme, like educational, nothing. It's like simple. Look at here. You can see touch point, official website, blog, and then in nothing is over here. Just it's like simple. Now you have to make like custom website. Like what you can choose your, like you may see in mobiles also you will set as a custom themes. Now we are going to add same exact procedure over here. You can see after appearance theme, and you can see they are going to say add themes. If you are if you have a theme file, you can upload it here. If you not have, just scroll down. You can see that they have only given the custom these themes are absolutely free. You can use it as absolutely free. Just I'm selecting like latest. I'm going to check it up latest WordPress themes over here. Ah, Now you can see popular FX theme over here. Just click on install. Okay, you can see theme has been installed, and it has not activated. click on activate, that theme has to be applied. If you click activate, the theme will be applied to your website. You can see that theme has been applied to our website. You can see that theme has been still is not applied. For that, you have to refresh your page. After refreshing, you can see this page like this, powered by popular effects, like this. So now I'm going to change as my this blog has been. I'm going to make it this as a news blog. Just I'm selecting newspaper blog templates. I'm going to popular. I'm going to use this news app. I will said you that I'm going to use a news theme over here, because this is a tech website. If you have like a health education, like you can get like custom themes like for them for that. So I'm refreshing. Now you can see that theme has been applied over here. But this is our website, guys. Now you already in. This is that. No, you can see your website is already in Touchpoint official website 00webhost.com. Your website already in WordPress you have created and you have been hosted over here. This is a simple way to get hosted in 5 minutes, guys. For more updates, please visit my website touchpointofficial.blogspot.com. Link I will be given in the description. Please check it out there. Every update I will be updating in my website. You can go and you can see over there. For more updates, please visit my Instagram touchpointofficial. And next video, I will tell you how to customize and how to add a contact page. Everything I will show you in next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Thank you very much.